Hi, this is Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and I'm standing on our beautiful Scout 255 LXF. This boat comes equipped with twin 150 Yamahas. As I walk in through here on the transom, you got a fold-out transom seat. Folds into the transom nice and conveniently, as well as your bilge access down here. And all your bilges on your Scouts are nice and finished. Makes it easy to clean. Now coming over on the transom, we also have a live well. And moving to our leaning post, we also have a live well, another bait well for you. And underneath, equipped it with a Yeti cooler. Coming to our helm area, we have our nice Garmin unit, tilt steering wheel, Yamaha controls, Lenko trim tabs with LED indicators, switches here, as well as switches up here in the C-top. You notice this top too also has a full glass enclosure. Now coming up to our console here, we have a nice head compartment, pretty roomy, as well as your Fusion remote stereo in there, and your battery switches. Another thing that's nice to point out on this boat, also has a windshield wiper if you're catching any spray. Makes it nice and easy. You got seating up here in front of the console as well. Now up here in the bow, you have more fish boxes, as well as for any sort of storage. Has removable backrests, and these can store somewhere on the boat if you're not using them. Now while you're up here hanging out having a good time, this table deploys, which makes it nice, convenient, easy, folds right back in. Put your cocktails out here, drinks, have a great time while you're hanging out at the sandbar. And up here, right in the bow, we got your windlass anchor system with switches on either side. This has been Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey on our Scout 255 LXF. Give us a ring at 609-207-3325 and we'd be happy to show you this boat.